Hey guys, first day after the blizzard, trying to get out of the apartment. Let's see what's doing here. Okay, pretty neat here. Some snow. I think that's just strips. In case you guys aren't impressed by the snow. Look. Yep. It's only up on one side. Just enough where you can't get your door open. There's my pond. There's somebody alive. It's my staircase. I don't think I'm going down those. Oh, those are the garages, in case you can't tell. My garage is right over there, number 5. I don't think I can get my car out of it. Look at that. I don't know how I'm going to get my dog out. Let's see about these stairs.